3i Atlas, a hot topic in the science community. Some suggest that it's an alien spacecraft, others suggest it might just be a comet. But you know what? NASA is wrong. And not only NASA, but everyone is incorrect about 3i Atlas. I'll give you a proof in a minute. Following, I have 4 predictions regarding 3i Atlas, which no one is expecting to have. Number 1. NASA's model suggests 3i Atlas is losing aggregate. At Jupiter's Roche limit issued fragment, I predict it will remain perfectly intact. Number 2. Look for a constant deviation of positive 0.525%. From the gravitational predicted path, there will be an increase of positive 0.525%. Number 3. This is the most important one perhaps. During the flyby, there will be a 1.4% thermal pulse. Not 1%, neither 2%, but exactly 1.4%. Number 4. Check the nickel 62 spectra. You'll find a 1.4% shift that doesn't match the Doppler velocity. Now here's the proof you've been waiting for. On March 16, 2026, which is about 20 days from now, from today, NASA will record the data and release it. You can check it for yourself. I've placed the links in the description box. Stay curious and always keep looking up.